Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Paycom for Payroll Ops Strategy, full guide step by step clearly. To log into Paycom for Payroll Ops Strategy, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Paycom website URL, www.paycom.com. Once the page loads, look for the login option, typically located in the upper right corner. Click on the login button to be directed to the login page. Here, you will see two fields, one for your username and another for your password. Enter your username in the first field. Next, proceed to the password field and input your password. Double-check both entries for accuracy to avoid login errors. Once you've confirmed that your information is correct, click on the login button to gain access. If you've forgotten your username or password, there are options available to recover them. Follow the on-screen instructions for password recovery, and check your email for any necessary steps. After logging in successfully, you will be directed to your dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Payroll Ops section using the menu options. Here, you can begin managing payroll processes effectively. Remember that accessing certain features may depend on your user role within the system. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting your organization's Paycom administrator for assistance. Now you are ready to utilize Paycom's tools for Payroll Ops Strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.